In today's video, I'm going to teach you importing Python modules in VS Code. By the end, you'll know how to pick the right Python interpreter, install the packages you need, and cleanly import both third-party modules and code from files in your own project. First, open the command palette in VS Code. You can use the keyboard shortcut, then start typing Python select interpreter. This command tells VS Code exactly which Python installation or virtual environment you want to use for this workspace. Choose the interpreter that matches where you intend to work, whether that's a system install, a virtual environment, or a Conda environment. After selecting it, check the Python version shown in the status bar. That's a quick confirmation you're targeting the right environment. Next, make sure you're working inside that environment when installing packages. Open a new terminal in VS Code. It should automatically activate the interpreter you just chose. Now install any external module you need using pip. Type pip install, for example, pip install requests. If you prefer a more explicit approach, Python mpip install uses pip from the active interpreter. Remember that installations are per environment, so you only need to install a package once for each interpreter you use. Once a module is installed, import it at the top of your Python file with the standard syntax. Import. For example, import requests. You can also alias long names with as, like import numpy as np, to make your code cleaner. If you ever see module not found error, it usually means the package wasn't installed into the same interpreter you're running. Recheck your selected interpreter and try the install command again in that terminal. You can also import code you've written in another .py file within your workspace. For this to work, Python needs to be able to find that file on its import path, keep your files inside the current workspace folder, and run your scripts from the project's root so relative imports resolve correctly. If the file you want to import is in the same folder, you can reference it directly by file name without .py. If it's in a subfolder that represents a module or package, reference it by that folder name. For example, if you have a folder named utils with a file helper.py inside it, you can write from utils import helper. That statement gives you access to anything defined in helper.py. Avoid naming your own files the same as popular packages to prevent conflicts. That's it. You've selected the right interpreter, installed a module with pip, imported it, and brought in code from another file within your project. Happy coding!